The sum function is Excel is by far the most commonly used function that we have all came across in our life, those who have worked with data and numbers in Excel. So how does it work is, if you have a set of data like this one that I have right now, a financial data of a certain company which has different branches in different parts of the globe. So in this data we find there are certain columns like a segment of the department, the country, product, prices, sale price, gross price, and lot of other numbers. So how do we calculate the total sales amount which is in this column and find out what the entire sum looks like? So there is a shortcut way of doing it. It is to select the entire column from the start of the cell to the very end, and clicking this small icon over here. This is the inbuilt function in Excel which says as auto sum. If we click it, then you will find at the very end of the column it shows the sum of the entire column. All the numbers are summed up and the result you will find over here in this cell. But there is a limitation of this function. It only works when we use it on the same Excel worksheet like this one. So this is a worksheet. This is the worksheet name as data. So if we want the sum in this page only, then only this auto sum function will work, otherwise it won't work. So how can we use this auto sum function or the sum function in a different tab? Let me show you. So here I am going to do the same thing again. I am going to find the total sales amount from this column in J in this table which is named as data. I am going to create a new worksheet and name it as result. Here I am going to say sum of sales, and in the next corresponding column I am going to write the function. So the function goes like this. Every Excel function is preceded by an equal to. So whenever you put an equal to sign at the top of the content or at the top of the function, the Excel will know that this is actually a function and not just a text like this one. So Excel will calculate this cell as a function cell. So I'm after putting the equals to, the will write the name of the function which is sum, and at the moment you click the sum function, it shows a little shadow of drop down where it will suggest you what inputs it will need. So in this case, the input that I am going to provide it is this column which is JJ. So I am going to select this column, and you can find that in this formula Excel is automatically taking this column from this sheet. This is the name of the sheet which is data. This is the separation which is the colon, and this is the entire column which is J, in which the sales numbers are written. So I'll close the bracket and I'll just put an enter. So here we find the result of the sum of all the numbers of the sales. So let us see if the results are right or wrong. So here the number is 1187.26.350.26, and what's over here, 1187.26.350.3. So this is just a number representation, and here is the currency representation. We can do the same thing over here as well. We just have to do a simple tweak. We have to go over here, then more number format, then a pop-up will appear. We have to go to this currency sheet, select the currency which is US dollars over here, this, then go to custom and just put a blank space. That's it. Now hit OK and you will get the exact result that you are finding over here. So it does work. I really hope this helps you find a solution of how you can get the sum or the total of a column or a row of a data in a separate sheet. Thank you. See you in the next video.